Alright, so we're taking the M3, me and the boy, taking the M3 to go get a car wash because this thing is filthy. It's been probably a few months since we actually washed the damn car. It's been a while, right? A long time. So we got the gimbal. We're gonna try using the gimbal. The cameraman here, hopefully he can get any good footage. We'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't get dark by the time we get there, but we'll see right now. How was it? Get close. Get close. Get close. Start from the top. Start from high up. Start from high up. Go closer. You're gonna float away, dude. Get the wheels. Get closer. Here, you want me to do it? Hold on. Don't let it go. Right here. So the GoPro died while we were washing the car, and this dude's already passed. Oh, he woke up. Tired? Sorry, man. Take a nap. He's falling asleep while we're already getting some freaking food from Golden Chick. This thing was $50. I did a family pack, which is like 18 tenders, half and half spicy, half original. I did double fries, which it comes with 2 sides, and then I added a thing of jalapeno poppers. I believe they added mac and cheese too. That might be why it's more expensive. I gotta double check when I get up here. Make sure they add the mac and cheese. But other than that, we're just heading back to the house. Gonna grab the food, go home, man. It's been a long day. Long day of pretty much nothing. At least the car got clean. It looks good. But I appreciate y'all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. No, I'm not gonna say that right. It sounds nerdy, huh? Hey, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't say it, right? Nah, never mind. Cancel all that.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys all take care.